In our previous video, we have learned how do we name the tabs. Like this is the quick access toolbar, here is the title bar, this is the ruler which contain all these tabs: home, insert, design, layout, references, mailings, preview and view. And the bar at the bottom of this screen is called the status bar, which displays the number of words that we have written along with the page numbers that are displayed in this MS Word document. Now I'll show you how do we edit text in this Word document. We will select the whole text by pressing the mouse from the position where the cursor is displayed and scroll it to the end point of the word. Release the mouse and you can see the word is selected in blue text. Now I'll go to this font color and select any color from here. As you can see, the color has changed to red. You can change the font size of the text, make it bold, italics, underline it like this. The other way or alternative of increasing the text is by using this button. I have to remove the underline. I'll again click the underline button to remove this underline. Other is strike through, in which the selected word will be strike through. In order to remove it, I'll again click the strike through button to remove the option. This is called the alignment of the page or alignment of the words that you have written. Right now MS Word, if I'll show you by reducing its size to 22, you will better get to know how do we align the text. It is centrally aligned, now it is right aligned, and earlier it was left aligned. Apart from this, we can highlight the background of the selected text by choosing any color at the background of it. And in order to remove it, I'll again select the whole text, go to this text highlighter color button, select no color in order to remove the text color as well. And in order to add on style to my word, I'll select the whole word once again and select this option. I'll increase the size to show you how does it look. So this is all about how do we make a text more presentable. And I'll click on save to save this MS Word document on the desktop like this. And it will ask me to replace it because there is another document by this name. So I'll name it as Word document MS Word 1 and click on save. So as you can see, the title displays the MS Word 1, that is the new document name. So this is it about today's video. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.